Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you auto clicker for iPhone, iOS, and Android tutorial in 2025. So the first step is for iPhone users. You should open your settings app on your iPhone, then head to the general, then background app, refresh, and be sure that this option is switched on. If it's off, get it back to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So background app refresh option is off. It will automatically skip installing some auto clicker for iPhone iOS files, and then auto clicker will not work properly on your iOS in 2025. It might crash, have bugs, or maybe it will not work at all. So be sure to turn on background app refresh option. After you do that, second step is for both iOS and Android. You should open your battery settings, and low power mode has to be switched off. If it's on, switch it to off. On Android, low power mode might be called power saving mode, battery saving mode, whatever it's called, just turn it off. You can find it on your Android phone in the settings under battery settings and turn it off. If you can find it, then you probably don't have it. You can skip this tab. If low power mode is on it will try to save your battery and then automatically turn off background app refresh option that I just talked about. And without that option, we cannot install auto clicker for iPhone, iOS, and Android properly in 2025. So be sure to turn it off. After you do that, guys, in order to get auto clicker for iPhone and Android, visit this website you can see on the screen, and there you can find auto clicker for iOS and Android. Follow all steps, install it on your device, and you're good to go. So do these modifications in the settings. Visit this website that you can see on the screen and install auto clicker for iPhone and Android in 2025. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.